Hello and Namaste, I am Nikesh, and in today's session we'll explore the process of creating a database in MySQL. So before creating a database in MySQL, we have to understand what is database. For this I have already created a PPT. Here you can see. So in this PPT I have already mentioned what is database. Let's read the definition. A database is like a digital storage system where we keep our data in organized way so that we can easily add, find, update or delete information. Okay. इफ आई टेल यू इन आसान भाषा, इट इज जस्ट लाइक स्कूल बैग. जैसे कि स्कूल बैग के हम अपर पार्ट में अपने नोट्स बुक रखते हैं, उसके लोअर पार्ट्स में अपने बुक्स रखते हैं, एक डिपार्टमेंट में हम अपने टिफिन रखते हैं. जस्ट लाइक दैट इन डेटाबेस ऑल्सो वी स्टोर टेबल इन ए ऑर्गेनाइज वे so that we can easily find, update, delete type of command we can run in our database. Actually in database there are tables and all tables are related to each other with the help of a foreign key and primary key. Don't worry about the concept of foreign key and primary key. In coming video I will explain you later. So first let's see the syntax of creating a database in SQL. So this is how we create a database in SQL. In MySQL workbench, we have to write a create command in prompt, and after that you have to write a database if you are creating a database. Okay, and then after that you have to write a name. But sometimes what's happen, if there is already present the database with the name of we are creating, to avoid that type of error we use a create database command, and after that you have to write a if not exist and then our database. Suppose if database is already present with the name of MySQL, then it avoid the error and it just bring a message that the database is already present. Okay, so now let's see how we can create a database in our MySQL. So first open my workbench and we have to select the first option, and let me first zoom it to make you visible. So now we have to write a command. Always remember, write command in uppercase. Okay, create database, and after that we have to write our database name. In my case I am giving MySQL. Okay, MySQL. So this is how we create a database, but always remember, in general way, MySQL means SQL is not a case sensitive language. It is in case sensitive language, but while defining our table name or database we have to use a underscore, or you can use any, but you can't use a space. Okay, this is a one type of restriction. And if I run this code, to run this code we have to click here. Now we can see a create database means our code is successfully executed. Now to see our database we have to refresh here, and now you can see MySQL database is visible now. So this is how we create, and now I am going to show you another way. Create database if not exist. Okay, and if I create the if I give the same name MySQL, if I run this code, now you can see it's saying that can't create a database, MySQL database exists. Okay, so this is how we use. Always remember, if not exist, it is not a mandatory while creating a database. It is just an option to avoid an error if the same name database is already present. So this is how we create a database, and in next video I will show you how to create a table inside a database and how we can insert a value on that table. So thank you for watching this video.